Welcome back to my YouTube page. This is Britt coming from the Britt the Affiliate YouTube page on another StanStore tutorial to show you exactly how StanStore works when it comes to the customer platform. So overall, you are going to see so many different options here. So I have the name, email, how long they've been a customer of mine, any purchases, the amount of purchases they've made, and how much they've spent as well. So various people, whether it's a freebie or whether it's going to be a master course or anything like that that they purchase from you, you have the ability to split up. So if I want to know anyone by product, which one did they buy? Let's say I wanted to know who got my Amazon affiliate blueprint. It's going to automatically give me the people here that have purchased that, and that offers that ability to add a tag. So you can tag them into different contacts and different sections. You can also add a tag in this way. You can add them to a special email flow as well. So this email flow would be anyone that I want to send something to say, hey, you finished my Amazon affiliate freebie. Now's the time to upgrade into the Amazon Money Master Course. And I can then add them to an email flow that would perfectly set that up. And that's where that would get connected over here. So I'll show you that in a second. Automatically, you can add contacts. So you can add contacts with name, email, phone number, and add contact if you just have them individually that you want to add. But otherwise, it would end up being an import list. So as you scroll down here, you can upload that. If you had it all set up to go in that, you'd be able to click it here, click open, and automatically it would do that. So if you have been using another platform for a while now and just don't have the ability to sit there and manually enter in name, email, phone number, name, email, phone number. There's a quick way to do it. You just have to make sure that it's in a CSV file, and you can probably export that from your other, email flow that you've been using, whether it be a Flowdesk or anything like that. You have the ability to export a CSV file, upload that CSV file into here, and ultimately that's when you would be able to have this present. So overall, this has been super helpful to have all of my customers in the same place. I mentioned here that you can add a different tag, and that you also have the ability in the drop down to add them to an email flow. So if I wanted to do that, you would have different options. I have 3 email flows set up currently. You can have as many as you'd like in that case, but let's head over to email flows. So with the email flows here, you automatically, in another video, I did showcase a little bit more in depth about this. So if you're curious about it, you will probably want to go ahead and check that one out. But this is just a brief overview of how all of your customers can be added to an email flow very, very quickly here in StanStore. Any other platform I have used, it has taken me so much time. So I highly recommend just going ahead and doing the email flows, doing the upgraded $99 plan with Stan. You have everything in one location. I cannot tell you enough how much easier this makes that, and always like to make sure that I offer something to you. So as you watch this video, if it's something you are interested in, I can offer you an exclusive 14-day free trial of Stan. The reason we are able to offer 14 days free is because automatically we know that after that 14-day free trial, you are probably going to be hooked. You are going to want to purchase Stan, and automatically this is going to be your default whenever you need to use it for a link in bio or anything like that. I hope automatically this will help you, but go ahead, check out the link below for that 14-day free trial, and go ahead and get yours started today.